everybody. Welcome back to Russell's Garage. I want to wish all you guys a happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. Today we're not going to be working on the Rambler. Work's been crazy right now, so I haven't had much time, 16-hour plus days, this week. So we're not going to be getting back on the Rambler here for a little bit, but I wanted to talk to you guys and reach out and see how everybody's doing. So we got some news and we got some things to show you, and let's get started. I'm Russell. Welcome to Russell's Garage. So we have to say goodbye to a nice member of the car family here. The green Challenger's gone. We no longer own her. Last week, a dealership offered me money I couldn't refuse for it. And we went ahead and got rid of the Challenger. So that was a sad moment in the family here because I really loved that car. I had that car for 6 years. Made a lot of memories with that car. We did a lot of stuff with that car. Too bad I didn't start the channel back when I got that car. There would have been a lot of content on what we did with that car. But we did get a new car. And it's a totally different type of car than I've ever owned. Totally different type of make that I never thought I would own. There's a lot of learning that we're going to get into on learning this make of car, and it's a beautiful car, drives awesome. I've drove a lot of cars, and this has to be hands down the best driving car that I've driven. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the new car to the channel, and hopefully you guys like it. And we can do some stuff with the car on the channel and, start new memories with the new car. And I'm going to take you guys and I'm going to show you the new car. So guys, here's the new car to the channel. Porsche Boxer 981 in racing yellow. Let's go ahead and go around her and take a look at her. She's a little dirty right now because I've been driving her. Nice car. Never had a convertible before, but in Florida, a convertible is what everybody needs. Take her for a little ride. A little ride around the neighborhood. It's a little bit of an overcast day here. Got the top down. We're gonna go ahead and take her for a ride. Car drives so beautiful. You hardly feel the road. Everybody should experience a Porsche sometime in their lifetime. Even if you don't want to buy one, go and do one of those driving experiences and drive it. You just don't feel the road. I mean, you feel every bit of the road, but I mean, you don't feel the bounces. It's the most comfortable, smoothest ride. The cornering, the handling is superb. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Thanksgiving, their family, you know, giving thanks to the important things. I love what they did right here with this yard art. That's an awesome truck. Thought I'd take you guys for a drive. This has got the PD gay transmission, dual clutch, it's automatic manual. So it's not as fast as my Hell Kitten was, but it's quick and it's definitely handles better than that car did. So, like I said, it's a big change in the cars I've been driving and, you know, used to having. But sometimes you just got to change it up a little bit. And this is the newest car to the family. And, I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to see some more stuff on it, you know, put down in the comments stuff you'd like to maybe see. And, you know, we can do stuff on the channel with it. If it's something you guys would like to see. I don't know how far we'll go with it because it's pretty much perfect the way it is, but we'll definitely take it to some shows and just enjoy it all around. Yeah, so this is the new car, Porsche Boxster 911. 981 Racing Yellow. And it's very comfortable. I was shocked at how comfortable it was. I thought it was going to be a terrible ride, small, it's fairly roomy. And here we are, back at Russell's garage. So we are going to have more stuff coming up on the Rambler. Like I said, work's just been crazy. I got to get that settled down, and then we'll get back onto getting the Rambler done. I want to get that car done. And if you like what you're seeing here, and please leave comments, and let me know what you guys want to see and stuff like that, and we'll work on trying to get you guys what you guys want to see, and get back onto the Rambler, the 29, the El Camino, start getting these cars done, because it ain't no fun until they're done. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the channel today, and remember, like, share, subscribe, leave some comments. I appreciate you guys helping to get the channel growing, and happy Thanksgiving to y'all, and I look forward to getting back with you guys on these cars. So have a wonderful holiday.